Your train leaves at 7:15. The announcement just said something completely different. Now you are standing on the wrong platform, wondering what just happened. Today, you learned how to actually understand time in Spanish. Every hour, every minute. No more guessing.
Welcome back to English and Spanish Cafe. I am your host, and with me, as always, is my co-host joining us from Spain.
Hola, everyone! Telling time in Spanish follows its own little set of rules that are honestly very logical once you see the pattern. And since you already know your numbers from our last episode, this one is going to feel really natural.
Today, we go through everything you need. Asking the time, saying the hour, half past, quarter to, and how to talk about morning, afternoon, and night, all through real situations you will actually run into.
No confusing grammar talk, just clear examples and real scenarios. Let us go.
You are at a train station. You need to know the time right now. This is the question you ask.
¿Qué hora es? What time is it? ¿Qué means what? Hora means hour or time. Es means is. 3 simple words and you have your answer in seconds.
Repeat after me. ¿Qué hora es? ¿Qué hora es?
This is your opening question for every single time-related conversation you will ever have in Spanish. Learn it first. Everything else builds on top of it.
Now, here is something important. When the time is exactly 1 o'clock, Spanish uses a different structure than every other hour.
Es la una. It is 1 o'clock. Es means it is. La una means the 1. 1 o'clock is the only hour that uses es because una is singular. Every other hour uses son because the numbers 2 through 12 are plural.
Repeat. Es la una. Es la una.
Remember this rule. 1 o'clock always gets es la una, never son la una. That one exception trips up a lot of beginners, so lock it in now.
Now, for every other hour besides 1 o'clock, this is the pattern you will use constantly.
Son las dos. It is 2 o'clock. Son las tres. It is 3 o'clock. Son means they are, used here because we are talking about plural hours. Las means the. Then you simply add the number. Son las cuatro. It is 4 o'clock. Son las 10. It is 10 o'clock.
Repeat. Son las dos. Son las dos. Son las tres. Son las tres.
Son las plus the number. That is the formula for every hour except 1. Simple, consistent, and once you say it a few times, it becomes completely automatic.
You made a dinner reservation. It is not exactly on the hour. It is half past. Here is how you say that.
Y media, half past. Y means and, media means half. So if your reservation is at 8:30, you say son las 8:30. It is 8:30. Literally, it is 8:30.
Repeat. Son las 8:30. Son las 8:30.
Hour plus y media. That pattern works for any hour. Son las 5:30, 5:30. Son las 9:30, 9:30. Always the same structure.
Now, quarter past the hour. A little different from half past, but just as useful.
Y cuarto, quarter past. Y means and, cuarto means quarter.
Son las 10:15. It is 10:15. The structure is identical to half past. You just swap media for cuarto.
Repeat. Son las 10:15. Son las 10:15.
Hour plus y cuarto for quarter past. Hour plus y media for half past. 2 patterns, 1 simple rule. You are already building real fluency here.
You are doing really well. Time in Spanish has a clear logic once you see the pattern, and you are already halfway there. If this episode is helping you, please subscribe to English and Spanish Cafe right now. New episodes every single week made for learners exactly like you.
Leave a like, too. It helps so many more people find us and start learning Spanish the same way you are right now.
5 more phrases. This is where it all comes together. Let us keep going. This one is a little trickier, but extremely useful. Quarter to the hour.
Menos cuarto. Quarter to. Menos means less or minus. Cuarto means quarter. But here is the key difference. Instead of attaching it to the current hour, you attach it to the next hour. Son las 8 menos cuarto. It is 7:45. Literally 8 minus a quarter.
Repeat. Son las 8 menos cuarto. Son las 8 menos cuarto.
Think of it like counting down toward the next hour instead of counting up from the last one. It takes a little practice, but once it clicks for good.
Sometimes saying the hour is not enough. You need to say whether it is morning, afternoon, or night.
De la mañana, in the morning. De la tarde, in the afternoon. De la noche, at night. So if your flight leaves at 7 in the morning, you say, son las 7 de la mañana. If your dinner is at 9 at night, you say, son las 9 de la noche.
Repeat. De la mañana. De la noche.
Add these after any hour to remove all confusion. Spanish speakers use this constantly since many countries do not commonly use AM and PM the way English speakers do.
Sometimes you need to stress that the time is exact, not approximately, exactly.
En punto. Exactly. Or on the dot. So if your flight boards at exactly 6 o'clock, you say a las 6 en punto. At 6 o'clock exactly. This phrase removes any ambiguity. There is no rounding, no approximately, just precisely that time.
Repeat. A las 6 en punto. A las 6 en punto.
Use en punto whenever timing really matters. Flights, trains, important meetings. It tells the other person there is zero flexibility on this one.
You want to make plans with someone. You need to know what time something happens. Here is your question.
¿A qué hora? At what time? ¿A qué hora means at what time. You finish the sentence with whatever you are asking about. ¿A qué hora es la cena? At what time is dinner? ¿A qué hora sale el tren? At what time does the train leave?
Repeat. ¿A qué hora es la cena? ¿A qué hora es la cena?
¿A qué hora? Plus whatever you need to know. This single structure helps you plan literally anything with anyone in Spanish.
And now, the moment everything comes together. A complete real sentence using everything you learned today.
La reserva es a las 8:30 de la noche.
The reservation is at 8:30 at night.
La reserva means the reservation. Es a las means is at. 8:30 means 8:30. De la noche means at night. Every piece you learned today fits together in one natural sentence.
Say the whole thing with me. La reserva es a las 8:30 de la noche.
La reserva es a las 8:30 de la noche.
Listen to that. You just said a complete natural sentence about time in Spanish. That was real progress, and you should genuinely feel proud of that.
Final recap. I say it in English, you say the Spanish out loud before the answer comes. Ready? Let us go. What time is it?
¿Qué hora es?
It is 1 o'clock.
Es la 1.
It is 3 o'clock.
Son las 3.
8:30.
Las 8:30.
10:15.
Las 10:15.
7:45.
Las 8 menos cuarto.
In the morning.
De la mañana.
6 o'clock exactly.
Las 6 en punto.
At what time is dinner?
¿A qué hora es la cena?
The reservation is at 8:30 at night.
La reserva es a las 8:30 de la noche.
Time is one of those things you use constantly in real life. Trains, reservations, meetings, flights, plans with friends. And now you have every piece you need to talk about it confidently in Spanish.
And the beautiful thing is that once you know the pattern, hour plus y media, hour plus y cuarto, next hour menos cuarto, you can build any time you need without ever feeling stuck.
Your challenge today. Go to the comments and tell us what time it is right now, wherever you are. In Spanish. Just one sentence. We want to see it.
We read every single comment, everyone. We would love to see yours down there.
If this episode helped you, please subscribe to English and Spanish Cafe. Leave a like and share this with someone who is learning Spanish right now.
Hasta luego, amigos.
See you in the next one.